Alrighty-o, and welcome back to the series where I try and get adept on every killer for some fucking reason. I don't know why I keep doing this to myself, but I do. So this will probably be the last killer I try and attempt today, but here is Wraith. All I know is he ring a bell and he go invisible for a couple seconds, and then he come back and he be like, "Ooga booga, I is back." Ooh, ow. Yeah, we'll grab that. Should also do my ones I like to do. Yeah, look at me. I'm all spooky. I've got owl pellets on me. I'm ready to murder. Murder. Yeah. I've got things uploading. Hopefully they'll all upload before midnight, because that's when my internet decides to die. So hopefully, otherwise mobile data is going to come in clutch. Yeah. Anyway, let's go. Have some fun. Yeah. I'm spinning like a ballerina. Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, loud noises events such as when a survivor misses a skill check alert the killer to the survivor's location. Ooh, spooky. But yeah, I like getting adept on these killers. It's fun. It is quite fun getting adept on the killers. Because you've got to it forces you to learn how to play the killer. Ooh, so I start the match already cloaked. Okay. So I held L2 to recloak, so to uncloak. Ooh, I see Ada. I see people. Thank you. Okay, drop the pallet. That's okay. I'm gonna kick that in, pick you up. Come with me, let's go on an adventure, shall we? Stop wiggling. Wiggling is annoying. Yes, I know. You forced me to kind of move my eyes around like. Anyway, I should recloak, but that one is semi. So I'm gonna real quick. I'm gonna whack this and then back invisible. Like I move. Hi, Ada. Look, I got an alien testicle on a stick today. Come with me. Hello. So, let's talk about your GPA, shall we? Did you know, studies show that if you are a twat, you're more likely to get killed by the killer in this game? Did you know that? It's great news. Anyway, here you go. You can go up there. I'm going to destroy your generators because I don't like when generators get generated that much. It's a bit annoying when generators are being generated, honestly. Anyway, let's go back to tonk, tonk, tonk. Ooh, I'm spooky. So I can destroy that. That's actually kind of funny that I can destroy stuff while invisible. Hi, Steve. Oh, you're a bitch. That's okay, I can just... Dong dong. Hi, Steve. Hi. 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 It's okay, Steve. Come here, Stevie. Stevie, 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 Steve. Hi, Steve. Hi. I want you, Steve. I want you to know that I love you. I love you forever, forever. To get my heart and I will with you. I am coming for you. I'm coming for you. I love whacking people while I'm holding them. It's kind of fun. It is. Kick that head in. Hi, Ada. Hi. You're gonna go. Bastard. Actually, no, yeah, let's go after this one. It will also damage that, pick you up. And let's chuck you on the hook over here, shall we? Yeah, it's a nice hook, isn't it? It's lovely. Quite bougie, some would even say. Bang, bang, tongy tong, dingy tong tong, ding tong ding. Alright. There's Eddie. Okay, nice and close. Oh, you lucky fucking bastard. Oh, Jojo! Oh, you lucky fucker. Okay. No longer a lucky fucker. Yeah. Oh, I've got my toes out. Oh my god. I didn't notice I had my toes out. That's okay. No, look, there's a hook up here, right next to a gent. You know what? I'll be nice. I'm gonna put you up here, right next to the gent. Eddie, stop struggling, Eddie. Go on your hook. Good boy. Forget it. Wherever. Okay, no one's done in that one. Unless they were and I'm blind. Let's have a look in here. Nope, no one's in here. Okay. Okay. Oh, someone has just got Eddie. Hi. Hi, gents. Hi, Steve. Steve, how'd you know I'm gonna be your next friend? How'd you know? How'd you know, Steve? Steve, how'd you know I wanted to be your friend? How'd you know? I love you, Steve. Steve, you're great, Steve. I love you so much. I wanna make out with you, Steve. Yeah. God, I'm a weird killer. Yeah, I am. Wee. Walk around the hood, going all around the neighborhood. Yeah, we're going around the neighborhood, fucking walking around that shit. And we hit that. Hi. Can we hit that dong dong dong? Hi. Hi, would you like a free best? Oh, I hit it with that long reach. I just got hit with the long dick of the law. The long dick of the law, the long dick of the law. Thank you. Alright, bye bye. Dong dong dong. Hi. Thank you. You're just replacing your friend. That's okay. Self-sacrifice, man. It's all about that self-sacrifice in the end, you know? I know Ada's run off that way, but she can go heal. That's fine. I'm more worried about destroying this generator. Make them angry. Yeah, make them angry. Okay. No, they're not working on the one up there. That's okay. Let's continue walking around the map. We have a bit of a wander, bit of a groove. Hi, gents. No, we'll damage that, and then we'll even You jumping through my window? Eddie, come here, Eddie. You really wanted to do that, Eddie. Edwards, that was a terrible idea. Absolutely, groundbreakingly terrible. No, I'm not even gonna, like, cloak. I'm just gonna fucking walk in, show my hand, and be like, yo, what's up, my man? Oh, no, thank you. Being semi-smart, okay. Okay, no. Thank you, Steve. Steve, your sacrifice will be remembered by everyone and your mum. Oh, mate's fucking booked it. He's like, yep, nope, Steve's gone. Steve's dead. He saved me, now he's dead. Alright, where is Ada? There is Ada. Oh, why do if you're wondering, why do I slug them? And it's because every single time I don't slug them, and it's the last person. Okay, wait, I can do that real quick, yeah. I see you! Hi. How you doing? You doing good, love? That's good. I'm glad you're doing good. Yeah. Yeah, I am. I'm very glad you're doing good, love. Yeah, I know. It must suck for you. Go on your hook. Stay on your hook. And die. Okay, where's Eddie? Eddie! Eddie! Did I knock down Eddie? Okay, this is where you drop the pallet. No, none of that. Where is he? Where'd he crawl to? Where's he groaning? It's like the worst part when they crawl away though. So like go walk around listening for groans. Where'd you go, Edwards? I want to see this man's Maury. Please. Please, Eddie. Wish I had some that would tell me his aura. It's like dong dong. Like as I hit this bell, it like shows me his aura or something. I know, that'd be nice. I know, I'm thinking out of my ass at the moment, aren't I? Ah, these crawlers, they can go quite far. Try and listen for them, which is annoying. Otherwise he's either going to A, bleed out, or B, this time he's going to run out and he'll get killed by the entity. Aha, you finally show yourself. Oh my days. You know how long I've been looking for you, Edward? It's like, naughty, naughty, very naughty, very bad. Naughty, naughty, naughty. Anyway, that was a depth wraith. That was actually a really decently quick game. Yeah, it was. Like, surprisingly quick. Like, damn. Anyway, I hope everyone has a lovely rest of your day. And the rest of their day. What day is it? I don't know. It's some day. It's a day. Anyway, thank you for watching, and goodbye.